Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to easily change your Snapchat password on an Android phone. Keeping your account secure is very important, and updating your password regularly helps protect your privacy and personal information from unauthorized access. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, find and select the password option. Now, enter your current password and tap Continue. Following that, type your new password carefully. Finally, confirm the new password by typing it again, then tap Save at the bottom to apply the changes. Thank you for watching. Changing your Snapchat password regularly helps keep your account safe and secure. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share for more useful tutorials.